Basketball world fans are talking about this today. We want to get a little more insight on it, if we can, from our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford of Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
A lot of basketball fans talking about this today. What exactly, can you explain for us, what are these allegations?
Well, basically what the federal government is saying is that these individuals bribed people or were bribed by other individuals to do the things in order to get recruits to come to their school or recruits to do things that they normally would not do but for the money.
In a situation like this, if they are found guilty, if the university or the coaches or the athletic director in any way found guilty in any of these situations, what kind of penalties could they face?
Well, that would be up to the charges that they're facing. Basically, they'd be set in the guidelines of the statute. They all would probably be facing prison time. The thing about this is bribery actually is a charge that can be charged against the person receiving the bribe and the person giving the bribe. So what the federal government basically has done is they've now indicted individuals that they're saying have been bribing individuals to do the things they want to do. The question is, will the federal government come back and indict the players that are receiving these bribes?
A lot of people in these incidents, when we hear of players getting special treatment, particularly getting payment, people always say this makes the case for maybe in some way compensating college athletes for what they do for the universities.
Obviously, with what we have today in sports, universities, NCAA all make large sums of money from TV contracts and other things. There's lots of people that talk about paying players, but the problem is, as fan is, do you really want to turn the college programs into what professional sports is today? Do you want to have people having to go to the highest bidder, or do you want to enjoy some kind of uniform sports where people just go to play for the love of the game?
All right, Jeff, we always appreciate your insight in these matters. I am sure this is a subject we'll be hearing a lot more in the coming months. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.